Hey guys, so first I'm going to start by taking this Got2b gel and I'm going to apply it all around my edges to keep them out the way. I'm going to take a fine tooth comb to slick them back, and I'm also going to blow dry it on high heat. Now that is dry, I'm going to be taking this nude stocking cap. You can find these at your local beauty supply store. Although I prefer brown, this is all I had at the time, so I have to use it. And then I'm going to be taking this foundation that I got from my beauty supply store as well. I'm going to apply it to my cap to make it close to my skin tone. Now I'm going to take my Got2b Freeze Spray and I'm going to apply it to the cap to mold it down. And then I will take my blow dryer on high and blow dry it until it is completely dry. Now that the cap is completely dry, I'm going to be taking a pair of scissors and I'm going to cut off the excess cap, being sure to cut as close to the dry part as possible, but also making sure that I don't cut myself. Now I'm going to take some 91% alcohol and a cotton round to clean my forehead. I'm going to blow dry that on cool and go back in again with the 91% alcohol to ensure that my skin is completely cleaned and free of any makeup. In the process of me cleaning my skin with that alcohol, the cap did roll back a little bit, so I'm going to be taking the Got2b gel and pushing the cap back down, and I'm going to blow dry it using the end of my rat tail comb to ensure that it lays flat. So in these next two clips, I'm just showing you guys the color of the wig, the construction of the wig, and the lace on the wig. I will leave the colors that I used to achieve this color down in the description box below. The same makeup that I used on my cap is what I'm going to use to put on the inside of the lace to match it to my skin tone. Now I'm going to attach my elastic band in the back of my wig. Then I'm going to insert my combs underneath my braids to make sure that my wig is secure, because I don't want my wig to fall off, okay? Because it's only a closure wig, y'all. Remember that. You want to make sure you secure the wig. Now I will be taking my Bold Hold Extreme Cream and I'm going to apply 3 layers of this. This first layer that you see me applying now isn't necessarily a layer. It's just to mold the edges of the cap down. Then I will apply 3 additional layers on top of that. When applying your glue, you want to make sure that each layer turns completely clear like such before you go and apply an additional layer. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply my wig, and as you see, I'm just trying to get a feel of where I want my lace to lay into the glue, because I don't want to put it too far ahead or too far behind. So I'm trying to make sure I get the edges of my lace right where the glue begins. Now I'm going to take my comb and I'm going to press the edges of the lace into that glue, and I'm also going to take a blow dryer and do the same thing while blow drying it to ensure that the lace is stuck into the glue. Now that I'm done pressing the lace into the glue, I'm going to take my rat tail comb, part my hair straight down the middle. Then I'm also going to be taking a powder brush and I'm going to detangle my hair, and I'm going to blow dry it to get it ready for flat ironing. Y'all, so this is a very crucial step. You want to make sure you part the back of your closure, your frontal, whatever lace you have. Make sure you part a section from the back to cover the tracks that's at the top, because you don't want your tracks to be showing, and that's embarrassing. Okay, period. Section off my baby hairs, and I'm going to take some Got To Be gel, the black bottle, and I'm going to use that to mold my baby hairs down. So with the baby hairs, you just got to kind of get a feel for them. You got to see, I mean, you have to know how you want your baby hairs. You know, like everyone has their preferences. Some people may want a little, some people may want a lot. And right now I'm in the mirror that's on my medicine cabinet, because the mirror that was in front of me, I couldn't really see, and I need my baby hairs laid to the T. Okay. wrap strip that I bought from my local beauty supply store. I'm going to wrap my hair down so that I can proceed to the next step. I just went in with my blow dryer one more time just to make sure that my hair was completely dry so that this blunt cut can have some body. Okay. Now that my hair is completely dry, I'm going to part my hair straight down the middle and divide it into 2 sections, and then I'm gonna start from the bottom and work my way up with the flat iron. This flat iron that I'm using is by Conair. It's the Infinity Pro line. It was like $30 from Walmart, and it is thebomb.com. So make sure y'all go get this flat iron. It doesn't have to be this exact one, but any one from the Infinity Pro line, bomb. Okay, go cop. As I'm sitting here flat ironing this section, I noticed that like it wasn't getting bone straight like how I usually like my hair. It wasn't getting bone straight like that, and y'all wouldn't even believe why. The freaking flat iron was unplugged, y'all, this whole time, and I'm sitting here flat ironing. But yeah, back to flat ironing. Flat ironing is a long process, and I feel like y'all have seen enough already, so I'm going to finish the rest off camera, and I'm going to come back when I'm done flat ironing. Alright y'all, so now I'm going to cut off this wrap strip, and then I'm going to make sure that my part is like bust down the middle, like bust like literally straight down the middle. And then I'm going to take my wax stick and I'm going to apply it on the little hairs that's sticking up. And then I'm going to take my flat iron and I'm going to go over my ends again. Okay, y'all, please do not mind my face. I don't know why I was looking like that, but I just showed y'all the product that I'm going to use. I want to put it on my edges and throughout my hair. So this little makeup that I'm showing you guys, it came inside one of those Ipsy subscription bags. So you probably can find it at like Ulta or wherever they sell makeup forever. But I'm going to take that and I'm going to take an angle brush and I'm going to define my part. This is the finished look. Look at all that body. Y'all see all that body? That's why you gotta blow dry your hair. But yeah, y'all, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.